Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss Chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas, student, and that is Part 3. So, student, in previous part we also discussed some question of NCERT. In this part, we also discussed some question of NCERT and the ML Agarwal. Clear, everyone? So now, student, we discussed till exercise 4.2. Now, in this video, we will discuss till 4.3. मतलब exercise 4.3. We will start from exercise 4.3. So, student, first question it is given. Name the angle. First question is given. Name the angle. I explain how you will get the name. This is your diagram. It is given. Or this question I also explain in online. So everyone do online classes. Everyone for better understanding. Okay, everyone. So this is your diagram is given, and it is given A, B, C, D. So student, here you can see how many angles are there, student. There are 4 angles are given. There are 4 angles are given. You can say A, B, C, D easily. So anyone asks you, so you can say there are 4 angles. But if you have to write down the name, so how you will write down? See, this is angle A. So how you will write down? I explain. The angle should be on middle. In middle, you can write down angle D A B. See, A is middle. Our other name, student, you can write down R angle B A D. Okay, everyone. They are same because A is in middle. So this is angle A. Now angle B you have to write down. How you will write down angle? Angle A B C. You can write down angle A B C. Student, what you can write down? Angle C B A. You can write down. Okay. Achha. Now angle A B C and C B A both are same. Means either you have to write down this one or this one. Both are same. Next is, student, C you have to write down. So what you can write down? Angle B C D. C is in middle. R angle, other name, angle D C B. Okay, everyone. Angle D you have to write down. So what you can write down? You can write down angle C D A. R, what you can write down, student? Angle A D C. You can write down very easily. Clear, everyone? So by this way you can write down the angle. Okay, everyone? So student, this is your question 1. Clear? I explain this one. Now question 2 is given. See, you will read out question 2. What is given in the question 2? Question 2 is given. In the given diagram, we have to find out which lies interior, which lies exterior. So everyone know interior, exterior. I explain. Okay. For example, this is question number 2. This is your triangle. It is given. Angle it is given. A, B, or this is C. Okay. This is point O. Let us assume this is point P. Or this is point Q. If I want to know which point lies interior of the angle, so you will say O in the interior. Which point lies exterior, you will say P. Which point lies on the angle, you will say A, Q, B, C. Clear, everyone? So this type of question is given. I think now you are able to solve. Now come to question number 3, student. Question number 3 it is given. You have to draw the diagram of the angle third A. It is given. One point in common. It is given you have to draw the angle in which one point in common. Yani one point should be common. How you will draw, student? One point in common. See, student, how you will do this question? You will draw simply an angle. Clear? Let us say this is A, B, this is C. One point should be common. Clear, everyone? One point should be common. So what you will do for this one? You can another angle. You will make another angle like that. Okay. So see this one. A, B, C. You can give them D. You can then give E. Okay, everyone. So when you will see now, see this is one angle. You can mark this is second angle. Okay. अब student is given one point in common. So see B is common. देखिए B is one point which is common in A, B, C. And which is also common in D, B, E. So here you can write down B is common. I think understand, everyone? See, B is common in A, B, C as well as B is common in D, B, E, R, E, D, B. Clear? One point is common. The next is given, student. Next is given the 2 points in common. Okay? 2 point is common. It is given 2 point common. So here only question change. 2 point in common. Okay, everyone? So what you will do? You will make an angle like that. ठीक है, A B C. अब C, one point तो common, here you can see like previous, here it is common, but student here you can also mark like one. अब now you can see B and K common in both. Why? When you will write on A B K and you will write on K B C, so here K is also common, B is also common. So this is about 2 point common, 1 point common I explained. Next 3 point common, so 1 point also you will mark. Clear? So next question you will do yourself. I explained. Now move to the exercise 4.4. What is given in 4.4, student? 4.4. Now first question is given. Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Okay everyone. Triangle ABC I will make triangle A B C. This is your triangle ABC, students. Now it is given. Mark a point P in its interior. Okay, P in its interior. Next is given and Q in its exterior. So Q anywhere you can mark. Here, here, here. Exterior. Next is given. Is the point A in exterior or interior? A in exterior. A in exterior or interior? Tell me everyone. A interior or exterior? So you will say A is neither interior nor exterior. Why? A is lying on the what? On the triangle. Clear? If anyone asks you A is interior or exterior, so what you will say, student? You will say A is neither interior nor exterior. A is lying on the angle. This is very easy. I think now you are able to understand. Clear everyone? So A you will give the answer. Now next question is question number second. Now question number second I am going to explain. See, only concept I will give and I give all the explanation. ठीक है ना? More practice is required. Second is given. Identify 3 triangle in the figure. अब 3 triangle you have to first you will draw the diagram. This is your triangle 1. This is triangle 2. Clear? Now it is given A B C D. A B C D. This is your given diagram. Now it is given identify 3 triangle in the figure. Clear everyone? So 3 triangle. Only 3 triangle is given up. So you will write on only 3 triangle. Clear? So first I am going to write on triangle A B C. See, triangle A B C is a triangle. Triangle. This is triangle ABC. Clear? Of the next triangle you can write down triangle A B D. You can write down triangle A B C, triangle A B D. Clear everyone? This is a closed figure. Next you can write down what? Now next triangle A D C. Triangle A D C. Triangle means made up of 3 line segment and it should be closed. An angle will not close. Clear? So this is about triangle. Also you can write down. ठीक है? Next is given. Write the name of 7 angles. Of 7 angles you will write down. Write angle ABD, angle ADB, angle ACD, angle ADC like that. Clear everyone? So you will write down. Next is given. Write name of 6 line segment. If you have to write down 6 line segment. 6 line segment. If you have to write on 6 line segment. So line segment everyone know? Fixed point. So AB is also a line segment. Then next you can write down what, student? BC you can write down. What you can write down next? BD you can write down. मतलब 3 line segment I clear. और next you will write down yourself. Right segment you will write down. Which 2 triangle have B as a common? अब you have to find out which 2 triangle B as a common. Clear everyone? So you will say ABC. One is ABC. Or next you will find out yourself. Clear? B should be common in both. So this is about exercise 4.4, student. Now come on 4.5. All questions are very easy, student. Clear? In explanation I give all the solution. So only you have to focus and you have to solve. Now move to the exercise which 4.5. Okay everyone? So 4.5 first question is given, student. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral. Now it is given, student, quadrilateral. It is not defined. The quadrilateral is what? This is parallelogram, or this is rectangle, or this is square. So only you will make simply a quadrilateral like that. Like that. Okay? Now what is given, student? See carefully. It is given. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral PQRS. So here PQRS you will make. Next it is given. Draw its diagonal. Ab diagonal matlab you know that ki the line which join the opposite vertex. So this is opposite T and R. So one diagonal, this one, 1 minute. This is first diagonal. Everyone know diagonal means line joining two opposite vertex. This is your first diagonal, everyone. Second diagonal is SQ. This is your second diagonal. Clear, everyone? So first diagonal you will know. First diagonal and second diagonal. This is your first PQ. PQ is the line. So this is your PQ. And this is SR. 1 minute. So you have to find out diagonal. So diagonal, you know that line joining opposite vertex. Okay. So diagonal is PR and SQ are the diagonals. Okay, everyone. And next what is given? Name the meeting point of the diagonal. अच्छा देखिए, meeting point means this one. This one is the meeting point. अब tell me student, if this meeting point lies inside of quadrilateral or outside? You will tell simply this lies inside of the quadrilateral. So you will write down the meeting point is O, which is lie inside of the quadrilateral. Okay, student. So this is your exercise 4.5, question number 1. अब now move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral KLMN. See, question number 2 it is given, student. Question number 2, rough sketch of KLMN. So KLMN I am going to make like that. 1 minute. Quadrilateral is given now. It is also not defined. P square it is given, rectangle it is given, what it is given. Clear? So only you will make P. KLMN it is given. KLMN. 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 Okay, student, this is your quadrilateral KLMN. Clear? Now what is given question? You have to focus on the question. It is given two pair of opposite sides. Of side, you know that. Two pair of opposite sides. Two pair of what, student? Opposite side. Opposite sides. Of sides you know that, student, is sides KN, KL, LM all are side. Opposite means, student, जैसे NM and KL they are opposite LK. Opposite ना. Next what you can write down, KN and LM. Both are opposite ना, student. KL and LM they are opposite. So this is our two pair of opposite side. Clear, everyone? अब next question is given. Two pair of opposite angle. See, student, two pair of opposite angle. Now you have to find out opposite angle. Angle everyone know? This is K opposite to M. This is L opposite to N. You can write down what? Angle. Achha, this is sign of angle, student. Angle K, and this is not L. This is sign of angle. Angle M. First, next what you can write down? Angle M and angle L. So this is what, student? Two pair of opposite angle. Next is given two pair of adjacent side. Two pair of adjacent side. Clear, everyone? अब see, student, what do you mean by adjacent side? Two pair of, wait a minute, two pair of adjacent side. Two pair of adjacent sides. See, this is very important. What do you mean by adjacent side? So, student, adjacent side means who having common initial point. What is the meaning of this? Who having common initial point. So, our common vertex. See, if you write down KN and NM, very carefully you have to see. So, see KN and NM. What is common? N. N common. Clear? So, they are adjacent sides. Why? Because their initial point is same. See, KN start from here, NM start from here. Clear? Next, what you can write down? You can write down another NM and ML. See, this is also the pair of adjacent side. Why? Because you know that ki NM and ML both having, M is the common initial point. Yani adjacent side means having common initial point or common vertex. Clear, everyone? So this is your about two pair of adjacent side, and this is third part. This is C. This is C. Okay, everyone? Acha. Now next is given. Next is given, student, two pair of adjacent angle. What is given? Two pair of adjacent angle. Now, student, next is given two pair of two pair of adjacent angles, and this is D part. Two pair of adjacent angle. What is the meaning of this student? Adjacent angle. So see student, adjacent angle means the angle lies on the same side. The angle lies on the same side. Just see student, this is line KN, and what is the angle K and N? They lie on the same side. Okay, so they are what? They are adjacent angle. Similarly, N and M, angle N and M, they lie on the line NM. See, same line, so lies on the same side. Similarly, L and M, they are adjacent. Why? Because they lie on the same side. So what you can write down? You can write down angle K and angle N. They lie on the same side. Or what you can write down, student? See, lots of things it is given. You can write down angle L and angle M. Okay, angle L and angle M. This is angle. This is angle L and angle M. Or what you can write down? You can write down angle N and angle M, angle K and angle L, because the adjacent angle means they lie on the same side. Clear, student? So this is about exercise 4.5, student. Now come to the 4.6. A 4.6 student depend on the circle. A circle I explained in previous video very well. So I think you are able to solve the question based on this. Question number exercise 4.6 student. This is about circle. It is 4.6 question number 1. I explain. See, this is your circle. It is given. ED it is given. Or what it is given? Center. This is center O. One point P, A, B, and next it is given C. Or one outside point it is given, students. See very carefully in your book. It is given Q. Okay, student. This is your circle. Everything is given. Clear? I will explain only something. Okay, what is given, student? The center of the circle. So everyone know that center is what, student? Center is the constant point. So center is what? O, fixed point. Next is given 3 radii. 3 radii. Next is given 3 radii. 3 radii means, student, constant distance from the center. So 3 radii, what you can write down? You can write down OA, OB, and OC. You can write down, student. Next is given a diameter. A diameter. So everyone know diameter is the 2 times of radius and the longest chord. So diameter is what? AC, which join the center. Diameter done. Next is given 2 points in the interior. Points in the interior. Of see, student, points in the interior means lies inside. So it is given two points in the interior. So you can say 2 points in the interior, what? O and P. देखिए, only O and P lie in the interior. O and P lie in the interior. So this is 2 point line in the interior. Okay, everyone. Now next question is. The next question is given. E part, student. This is given 2 points in the interior done. ठीक है. अच्छा, this numbering is little below. A center it is given. ठीक है. 3 radii. B, C a diameter. D a chord. अच्छा, chord is missing, student. D1 is chord. This is E1. This is E1, na? A chord, everyone know. Chord is the line joining 2 points of the circle. So chord is, student. What is chord? Everyone know. Line joining 2 points of the circle. Chord you can write down E D. You can write down chord. So this is D part, student. E part I also explained. Now move to the F part. What is given? F. F1 is given, student. A point in the exterior. F is given point in the exterior. In the exterior. Of exterior means, student, outside. Exterior means outside. You can write down Q. Okay. Next it is given a sector. देखिए, sector. Now tell me, everyone, what is the sector in this one? Everyone know sector? Sector means, student, this certain portion. Okay. So sector, I explain also sector. OAB is the sector. Okay, everyone. This is a sector. Next is a segment. Segment, everyone know. What is the segment, student? See, major segment, minor segment, nothing is given. So segment, student, it is देखिए दिस वन इज योर सेगमेंट. अब ED is also part of segment and ED is also a chord. So what you will do, you will here mark a point K for only naming. So you can write down segment E, K, D are the segment. Segment is also a part. Clear everyone? And sector it is done. Now next is it is given. Next done. Aspect done. So I explain everything. Or what is segment, what is sector, I explain in the video. See very carefully. Clear? Arc also I explain. The continuous part of the circle. Semicircle also I will explain. I explain. Clear? Sector, segment. Clear? Why I given this name K? Why I am given this K? Because ED if you will write down, so ED is also chord. Clear? So only I given the name for indication. EKD is also your what? Segment. Clear everyone? Or this part is your chord. Clear everyone? So this is about all questions of this. Now second question, is every diameter of a circle is a chord? It is given every diameter of the circle is chord. We will say yes, every diameter. See, this is diameter and this is chord. Next is given कि every chord of a circle is a diameter. अब question is opposite कि every chord of the circle is diameter. See student, this is chord. Can you say ED is a diameter? No. Diameter should be passes through the center. Diameter should be passes through the center. This is not passes through the center. So this is not our chord. And this is not our diameter. Clear everyone? Now next third question you have to only draw like that. You will draw it. So student here your NCERT finished. Now we will do some question of ML Agarwal. Clear? Acha student, ML Agarwal, this is given in chapter 5. So don't confuse. Okay everyone? ML Agarwal NCERT this is given in chapter 4 and in ML Agarwal this is given in chapter 5. So here ML Agarwal. Some question only I explain because all the question is about to same. Clear? Exercise 5.1. We will start. I will explain only some question student because all are very easy and you will do yourself. If I will explain all the things, what you will do? So see student, only I will explain. First question is given 5.1. How many lines can we draw through a given point? Everyone know if one given point it is given, so many lines you can draw. This is very easy. This is also given in NCERT student. So you will do. Second, how many lines can we draw through two distinct points? Everyone know only one. Same question I am given. Mark a 3 non-collinear. Question number 4th I am going to explain. This is a little bit different. Ki 3 non-collinear point. 3 non-collinear point A, B, C in your notebook. Collinear. This is double. 1 minute. 3 non-collinear. अब student everyone know कि collinear means a point lie on the same plane like A, B, C. 3 are more than 3 point lie on the same plane. अब student non-collinear means what? What is the meaning of non-collinear means? So simply non-collinear means 3 are more than 3 point does not lie on the same plane. Does not lie on the same plane. So yani first you will draw like that, second you will draw like that, third you will draw like that. This is in different plane, this is in different plane, or this is also. So see, you will match like that. Okay? You will match like that. It is given mark 3 non-collinear point A, B, C in your notebook. Draw a line through these point taking 2 at a time. It means taking 2 at a time. At one time you will take only 2. So let us assume this is 1 point, this is second point, this is our third point. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay? So first time I am going to take AB. So AB I will draw. Second time I will take BC because only 2 I can select BC. So second I will take BC. Oh, this is not going to straight. 1 minute. This is AB. This is point C. This is BC. Okay, student. Third I can take what? AC. Third I am going to take AC. Okay, student. So see, student, ki one times only you can take 2 points. One time you can take only 2 points. First I took AB, second I took BC, third I took AC. Now this form a triangle. It is given draw line through. Acha. How many such different line can we draw? So 3 line you can draw. Acha. Also you can write down the name. You can write down AB. You can write down BC. You can write down what? CA. And they all are line segment. Okay, everyone. So only this is the question. Ki how many line segment you will draw, and the line, the points are collinear. The points are collinear. So I explain ki What are the collinear, students? Clear? 3 lines you can draw. Okay, everyone? They are collinear. A, B, C and C, A. Clear, everyone? I think this question clear, everyone? How to draw this question? अच्छा student, in this question here, जैसे if anyone asks you, can you extend the line BC and CA? तो student, if this is a triangle, let us assume this is a triangle. Okay, so here you can extend this one. In next class you will study. You can also extend this one. You can also extend this one. This is the exterior part. So student, due to this I mark this type. Clear? This is about line. This is matlab, so this I mark AB, BC and CA are line, because in your book it is given कि how many such different lines can we draw. So you can draw 3 lines. Clear, everyone? So this is question number 4, 3 non-collinear point. I explain. Question number 5, 6, 7, and all questions based on NCERT, student. So I will not explain. You will do yourself. Question exercise 5.2, student. All questions are same. Ki write the one angle, one common point, two common point, three common point, one break common. So you will do yourself. And not a different question is given. So I am not going to explain. Now 5.3, student. Also based on same pattern. Okay, student. चलिए, तो now 5.3 some question I am going to explain. 5.3. See, student, all concepts are same in NCERT and ML Agarwal. Only you have to focus. You have to understand the concept. You will do all the question yourself. 5.3, student. First question: draw a rough sketch to illustrate that. Open curve, close curve. You know that simple close curve anyone ask, and simple open curve. You know that कि open curve तो simply open, and this is also open curve. But if anyone asks you which one is simple closed, simple open curve, you will say this is simple. Why? Because in simple there should be no intersection. There should be no means. See, this line intersect to each other. Okay, and this line, matlab in this one, this line is also free. This line is also free. Clear, everyone? And this line is cutting to itself. So due to this is not a simple closed curve. Simple open curve. This is simple open curve. So this is the basic difference of simple closed curve and closed curve, and simple curve and open curve. Clear? अब जैसे student, if I make this diagram, so this is simple closed curve, but if, and this is also simple closed curve. If anyone asks what is the difference between closed curve and simple closed curve, so you will say that this is simple closed curve. This is simple closed curve. Why? Because there is no any point of intersection. Okay, there is no any point of intersection. What is the meaning of this? So if anyone asks you, student, what is the simple closed curve, so you will say कि they do not passes through self. Clear? अच्छा, in this diagram, student, this is also a closed curve, but this is not the simple, because student, देखिए, see, they cross to each other. In this one is cross to each other. Clear? Like that. See, this is also crossing, and in this simple diagram, due to this name is simple closed curve. कि there is no any crossing, and here this is the crossing point. Clear? So this is the simple closed curve, and this is only closed curve. Clear, everyone? Okay, everyone. So this is given in your book. What is closed curve? What is simple closed curve? Question based on this it is given. You will solve yourself. Closed curve, that is not simple. Clear? So you will draw. Only if there is a cross section, so this is not the simple. Otherwise, this is the simple. Clear, everyone? Now question is given. Third question: draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Everyone know the same question it is given. Okay. So 5.3 also same, and 5.4, student. So 5.3 also I explained. Now 5.4 also the same question is given. Like one circle is given, center O, like this type of OA. Here you can mark B. Here you can mark R. Also you will check what is the center, what is the radius, and this is chord BC line. What is the chord? What is the sector? Clear? So this is given in 5.4. So you will do yourself. So student, I explained all the question of NCERT and ML Agarwal. Clear? I clear all the doubts. All the question you will do yourself in NCERT as well as ML Agarwal. Clear, student? Now next video we will discuss the next chapter. Thank you, students.